So here's the hardest part of my day. Getting out of my very warm and snuggly bed when it's 23 degrees in this car. My windows are all very, very frozen. But another day, another adventure. Maybe just 5 more minutes on snooze. Okay, here's what I'm learning is the biggest difference between 23 degrees and 32 degrees is when it's 23 degrees, like it is now, you have to take all your clothes, put them under the blankets with you for a few minutes before you can put them on, because it's too cold. Your clothes are frozen. At 32, it's positively balmy. I go out in just a long sleeve shirt now and maybe a scarf. But at 23, it's cold. Okay, I'm ready to get out of bed.